were having a competition on talking, you'd have won already. I feel like your shank's gonna get in my way.
I'm gonna shank you in the shin, and then we need to rewrite the rules.
Let's see the rules. Give me that. Pretty sure I just caught a cheat.
Competition time again. I've got old crazy eyes over here, raring to go.
How's come these competitions are always by your rules?
So I literally did make out some rules this time, because last time things got a little wild and he started cutting stuff. What is that? What are those?
Make a little stir fry.
Oh,
I have a bad taste in my mouth about competitions. I don't happen to like them.
Known the rules, he's approved the rules. We have 2 Bison rounds. We're gonna cut a Thor's hammer, 2 eye rounds. The bottom round, we need to do the large muscle and the jerky strips, the smaller muscle into some stew meat. The top round, we need 2 London broil, and the rest jerky strips. We're gonna be scored on time, overall marketable weight, and then we're gonna have a blind judge score the appearance. So
if we were having a competition on talking, you'd have won already.
I need to go first because I need to make it in before you.
I'll let you go first.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'll even let you go first. Last time I did a bunch of talking, and it slowed me down.
I wondered how much talking you were going to do this time.
Sure you broke mine the same as yours?
You wrote the rules, but I broke the Bison. I feel like your shank's gonna get in my way.
I'm gonna shank you in the shin, and then you can do whatever.
Set that big knife there for you if you need it.
Oh, thanks.
Little brotherly love.
I'm going to the saw.
This is where I bop you over the head to end the competition.
Okay, so Seth has won the time component of it, so I can go as slow as I want now. And there's a strategy here because there's 2 other scores.
Who said that I was done?
Well, you got everything cut, don't you? There's 2 other scores. There's visual and the overall marketable weight. So hand Seth the number 1 for the time, and we'll see on the rest.
Been probably at least 12 minutes.
I can go as slow as I want.
That's because you wrote the rules.
No.
Your twin says this is how you were being born too. Did you save that little chunk off the end of the bottom round too? You did.
Heck yeah, I did.
Just so you get a little bit more weight. We need a
we need to rewrite the rules.
we need a trained eye because that's the lesser part of the bottom round you cut for jerky.
You need to train your eye on the finish line as I cross it. Seth, do you recall who won the last competition?
Nobody.
You did. Well, wait.
We have a winner.
Well, Seth, he finished. Oop. I better take a little closer look there. I don't want to lose a score in my appearance. He's getting nervous now.
2,000 years later.
I would like to go home sometime today.
You out of here.
Said, no, wait a second.
Oh, you're right. The bottom piece of the round. Okay.
Thank you. Let's see the rules. Give me that paper. Small muscle stew. I thought so. Pretty sure I just caught a cheat.
Bottom round gate. Done. Whoop, I can trim this. I got all the time in the world. Anything that has any gristle on it, I put in Seth's pile. All right. How we looking? How do you got them laid out? You got a pile of stew, a Thor's hammer. You got your eyes. You got these. We're gonna have it judged on appearance, and then we're gonna weigh it. Just whatever side of the table you think has better visual appearance.
Wait, go to the other side, Kens.
Yeah, go to the other side
So we can film you.
I'd say this one though looks better.
All right, that's all we need.
Thanks, Kenzie.
Now, Seth has 2 number 1. So, does anybody have a pen? I better mark these
You're
down.
my favorite cashier.
Wow.
It's only because Matt
Only 12 other cashiers are now upset.
Are there 3 categories?
There's 3. Seth is now firmly in first place with the number 1 in the speed and number 1 in the appearance. Now we have to weigh it. And I don't know if I can win now.
You just have to not be swept right now.
So what we'll do is
Playing not to be swept.
we'll weigh each individual pile.
No,
and
that
then
doesn't matter.
Then we'll tally them up.
No.
Okay. So if
Now
there's
you already got your foot on my neck.
If there's any reason that this jerky might weigh more than mine, it's because of that little chunk of bottom round. So
Okay, shove that in there. Hey, there's a scrap you missed right there.
that's not stew.
Put it in the bucket. All right. Scott's total 25.35. I better write that down. Scott's hot total.
I wouldn't be surprised if he cheated.
I already tried and it didn't work. I was actually coming back from lunch. I was going to grab your knife and swap it out with one that was really dull, but you had it back sharpening it, so I couldn't do that.
I have a feeling you have me beat on weight.
Yes, my little trick worked. 23.45.
That piece right there is what I was talking about that he saved and cut into jerky. Maybe I should have done the same.
Seth wins.
Thanks.
Good job. All right.
Next time I write the rules.
That's fine. Can you write in a presentation piece for me? Seth knocked it out, as he should. He spends a lot more time on the table. No excuses, though. I got beat fair and square. Hope you enjoyed it. We got to get back to work.
See ya.